Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Okay, from this question, I'd like to share with you one important information about PES. Now, when the supply curve is connected to the origin or start from the origin, regardless the gradient, regardless like whether S1, S2, S3, what is the gradient, the entire curve, the PES is always equals to 1. The PS is always equals to 1 regardless like the prices, okay? So that's the important specialty or features of supply curve. So I repeat, as long as your supply curve is connected to the origin, regardless the gradient, PES is always equals to 1. Therefore, for this, as price rises, the PES will increase, no, always equals to 1, will be less than, like as mentioned just now, regardless the gradient, your PES is always equals to 1, so it's nothing called more than or less than. At any prices, PES of S2 will be higher than, again, like although the gradient seems different, but because they are all connected to the origin, connected to O, so therefore the PES will always equals to 1 regardless which curve. So nothing called higher or lower. Therefore, the correct answer is donkey. The PES of each curve is constant. PES of S1, S2, S3 are all equals to 1, so constant. This is how like we can tackle some of the elasticity multiple choice question. Okay, and today's like discussion is just this much. If you have more, and if you feel like knowing more, you can anytime just post in the YouTube comment. Okay, I'll see you next round. Bye.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.